Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. You know how you get a new toothbrush for yourself and then your significant other says, "Hey, where's mine?" You don't have to worry about that with this great duo from Wagner and Stern. This kit comes with two electronic toothbrushes. So you get one in a nice pretty pink color and the other is in a black. I really like them because they are designed not only to clean your teeth really well, but also for travel. Each of them comes with a really nice case to put them in. All you have to do is take the brush head off and then place it right in the case. The kit comes with two bases. So the bases are easy to use. It comes with a USB cord and all you have to do is place the toothbrush in and let it charge. However, once you charge it, you have a good 30 days to be able to use that brush, so you can definitely take it with you for travel. In fact, since I got the toothbrush, I had not had to charge it one time. The brushes are really ergonomically friendly, so they're easy to hold, and I noticed that you can really get way into the back of your gums and into your molars to clean your teeth. It also has 5 different brush modes, and each of them feels like it's being very effective and you really feel like you're cleaning your teeth while you're using it. The best part about this kit is that it comes with 2 brushes. So I really like that you have the option of being able to have an extra one for yourself, or you can share it if you want. However, the brushes are so good that you may decide to keep both for yourself, and that's my point of view.